Earning money from user testing websites involves providing valuable feedback on websites, apps, or products. Here's a concise guide. Sign up with user testing platforms. Join reputable user testing platforms like UserTesting, Userlytics, or TryMyUI. Complete the registration process, creating a profile that reflects your demographic information and tech proficiency. Quality for tests. After registration, the platform will match you with available tests based on your profile. Complete screeners to qualify for specific testing opportunities. Participate in tests. Accept testing invitations and follow instructions carefully. Use screen recording software and a microphone to articulate your thoughts as you navigate the website or app. Provide honest feedback. Share your genuine impressions, highlighting usability issues, bugs, or areas of improvement. Be thorough and specific in your feedback. Receive payments. User testing platforms compensate you for your time and insights. Payments vary but are typically delivered through PayPal or other payment methods. Build a reputation. Consistently provide high-quality feedback to build a positive reputation on the platform. Some platforms may offer higher paying opportunities to experienced testers. Explore additional opportunities. Some platforms may offer additional earning opportunities, such as live interviews, focus groups, or beta testing. Stay updated. Regularly check for new testing opportunities and keep your profile information up to date to qualify for a diverse range of tests.